Yes, we are here at Urdaneta. What's your name, sir?
Finn.
Finn?
Finn.
Finn.
Yeah,
Sir
Finn.
Finn.
Like a shark fin.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm originally from Denmark, but I lived
from
in
Denmark.
Australia for 40 years.
Okay, sir. So, this is...
Yes, I'm not sure. I think it's sort of roughly, maybe this big.
Yes, sir.
And then it goes, and that's a big one.
Two property na, sir. 341, then
149.
149, then 300.
Up to 460 square meters.
Up 340.
41.
341 plus 149 square meters.
So that's 360 if you buy both of them.
So, subdivision.
Yeah.
10,000 per square meter negotiable.
Oh, for sure.
CGT will shouldered by the seller.
Yes.
And 5%. So napapa-English tuloy ako. Baka magdugo yung ilong ko. So magkatabi siya pero pwedeng isa lang ang kukunin, no, ma'am?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. 149 then 341 square meter. The boundary, itong boundary, napapa-English na tuloy ako.
And then until here. Because this one is a tool na, just only half of that.
They have
That drainage up at here.
ata na nga to niya, ma'am, yung mataas, no? Yan yung boundary niya, no? Yan.
This drainage up at
This, sir.
Yeah,
This
that's
is the
a
boundary.
boundary.
Like 149.
Yeah.
Then
I got the measurements.
341.
41. Yeah.
So pag bibilhin yung lahat, pwede naman, pwede ring isa, pwede ring yung isa naman. So 10,000.
If you want to buy one, it's okay too. If you want to
Buy two,
it's okay.
it's
But we
okay.
bought two because
Magkatabi
supposed to be
sila.
two-story there, but because we got a
Swimming pool.
Yeah, something for the
so we can
garden.
build a single story all the way up.
There is a mountain view.
Yeah, that's a photo.
Triplex.
That's the clubhouse,
This area, the clubhouse.
basketball court,
Clubhouse,
gonna be
swimming
in-
pool.
This is a private house, yeah.
Okay.
But behind that wall is
There is
the basketball court there, indoors and outdoor. We're gonna build a swimming pool and a clubhouse.
That's my town, Balungaw.
That's it, up in the hills. Yeah.
That mountain there.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Balungaw, Pangasinan. So 10,000. Ulitin ko, 10,000 per square meter, 341, then 149 square meter dito sa bayan ng Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. So meron siya at least ano to lang, ma'am, no, mga siguro 100 meter from MacArthur Highway.
Yeah, very close.
Napakalapit lamang sa MacArthur Highway. Siyempre malapit ka ng SM, schools,
Yeah, everything.
5 minutes drive.
elementary, high school, colleges, marami dyan, marami. So, ayun. Sana magustuhan nyo dito sa bayan ng Urdaneta City. Yan, tawagin nyo lang po ako. Ito pang lingkod, Agent Joel. God bless you all. Ayan, palabas tayo ng subdivision. First class subdivision dito sa bayan ng Urdaneta City. So, hindi pa ganun karami yung mga bahay doon sa part nung lupa, pero malapit siya sa sa clubhouse, yung may ginagawang clubhouse na with swimming pool and basketball court. Malapit siya doon, mga sir. At the same time, tanaw sa area yung triplex, at the same time mga mountain views. So ito na po yung MacArthur Highway, mga sir. So napakalapit lang ng MacArthur Highway. So paglabas mo, kanan po ay papuntang town proper or SM Urdaneta and iba't ibang malls po ng Urdaneta. Tapos yung mga schools, yan po mga sir, mga madam. So malapit lang po mga colleges and same time mga high school and elementary school. So marami pong private school po dyan, mga sir, mga madam. Ito naman pakaliwa ay papuntang SM or Rosales. Ayan, so from dito, so nasa 15 minutes drive from SM Rosales. So, sa triplex ng Ordaneta, ito sir, mga malapit lamang. So, ayun, sana magustuhan nyo po yung property na ito na aking inaalok po sa inyo mga sir, mga dam. Shoutout po sa mga nagpa-vlog nito. God bless you all sir, and thank you sa Pa Diesel. God bless you more.